ഹലോ വ്യൂവേഴ്സ്, എൻ്റെ പേര് റോൺ കുര്യൻ. ഇന്ന് PSC എക്സാം പ്രെപ്പ് എന്ന എൻ്റെ ചാനലിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ സംസാരിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് വീണ്ടും ഹിസ്റ്ററിയെ കുറിച്ചാണ്. ഒരു 25 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ്, ഓൾ ഇൻ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലായിരിക്കും എല്ലാ ചോദ്യങ്ങളും. അപ്പോൾ ചോദ്യത്തിലോട്ട് കടക്കുന്ന മുമ്പ് സാധാരണ പറയുന്ന പോലെ എൻ്റെ കണ്ടന്റ് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുകയാണെങ്കിൽ എൻ്റെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. മാത്രമല്ല എൻ്റെ ഈ വീഡിയോ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് പറഞ്ഞു കൊടുക്കാം. അപ്പോൾ ആദ്യത്തെ ചോദ്യം, ഇൻ വിച്ച് ഇയർ ദി വെന്യൂ ഓഫ് ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് മലബാർ ഡിസ്ട്രിക്ട് പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ കോൺഫറൻസ് ഏതായിരുന്നു? അതായത് വീണ്ടും ആവർത്തിക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ദ വെന്യൂ ഓഫ് ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് മലബാർ ഡിസ്ട്രിക്ട് പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ കോൺഫറൻസ്. ഉത്തരം പാലക്കാട്. ദി സെക്കൻഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ഹു ബിക്കെയിം ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് ചെയർമാൻ ഓഫ് ദ കേരള സാഹിത്യ അക്കാദമി ഇൻ 1956? ദി ആൻസർ ഈസ് സർദാർ KM പണിക്കർ. I'll repeat. Who became the first chairman of the Kerala Sahitya Academy in 1956? The answer is Sardar KM Panikkar. Next question. The nationality of James Darragh, who established the first coir factory in Kerala? Answer is Ireland. The next question. In which year Kottayam became the fully literate town in India? The answer is 1989. I'll repeat the question. In which year Kottayam became the fully literate town in India? The answer is 1989. Next, the fifth question. The venue of the fourth All Kerala Political Conference, which was presided over by Jawaharlal Nehru. The answer is Payyanur. The next question. Which system was called the steel framework of Akbar's administration? The answer is Mansabdari system. Mansabdari system. Sabdari, maybe system. Mansabdari system. The next question. The Persian festival of Nowruz in India was started by, the answer is Qutbuddin Aibak. Basically the question is, who started the Persian festival of Nowruz in India? The answer is Qutbuddin Aibak. The next question. The provinces under Mughal administration was known as, the answer is Suba. Which department dealt with the administration of justice during the Sultanate period? The answer is Diwan-e-Risalat. I'll repeat the question. Which department dealt with the administration of justice during the Sultanate period? The answer is Diwan-e-Risalat. The 10th question. In the Maratha administration, which official looked after the finances and general administration? The answer is Peshwa. The 11th question. Who looked after all matters of the military administration during the Mughal period? I'll repeat the question. Who looked after all matters of the military administration during the Mughal period? The answer is Mir Bakshi. Next question. Which was called the central pillar of the administrative system of the Delhi Sultanate? I'll repeat the question. Which was called the central pillar of the administrative system of the Delhi Sultanate? The answer is Ikta system. Next question. During the end of which of the Mughal rulers the Mughal rule faced the problem of Jagirdari crisis? The answer is Aurangzeb. Next question. Never was an unlucky sovereign so miscalled. About whom Lane Poole made this remark? I'll repeat the question. Never was an unlucky sovereign so miscalled. About whom Lane Poole made this remark? The answer is Humayun. The 15th question. The greatest ruler in the history of the Maratha Empire? The answer is Shivaji. Next question. Who declared Plassey laid the foundation of the British Empire? Amritsar has shaken it. I'll repeat the question. Who declared Plassey laid the foundation of the British Empire? Amritsar has shaken it. The answer is Mahatma Gandhi. The next question. The candidate whom Gandhiji supported when the election was conducted to the post of President of Indian National Congress in 1939. The answer is Pattabi Sitaramayya. I'll repeat the answer. Pattabi Sitaramayya. The next question. Which European power supported Nawab of Bengal in the Battle of Plassey? The answer is French. The 19th question. After the demise of which leader Mahatma Gandhi has emerged as the eminent leader of the Indian National Congress? The answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The 20th question. The importance of 23rd June 1757 in Indian history. The importance of 23rd June 1757 in Indian history. That's the time, the Battle of Plassey. That's the answer. Who said about the 1857 revolt that it began as a mutiny and became a popular rebellion? The answer is Hutchinson. 22nd question. A British Committee of Indian National Congress was formed in 1889 under the chairman of William Wedderburn. The next question. Who was the Viceroy when the Prince of Wales visited India in 1876? The answer is Northbrook. The 24th question. Merely a mutiny of soldiers which took the shape of the revolt of people in certain areas. Who said this about the mutiny of 1857? The answer is Charles Rykes. Last question. Name the British Prime Minister when the revolt of 1857 was started. The answer is Viscount Palmerston. That's all for today. If you like my video, do share it and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.